If you're new to my channel, my name. Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. Today is April the 17th. I was thinking of signing up for the gym, so I'm gonna see how that works out. So I'm looking to sign up for the gym today. I have to go pick up my daughter's medicine because she do have strep throat. So lucky I'm off. I'm off for 2 days. So by Wednesday, fingers crossed, she'll be good to go back to school because the doctor said it takes 24 hours for the antibiotics to kick in. It's just so crazy because I had the flu in October, COVID in January. Now my daughter, throughout the whole process, my daughter didn't get COVID or the flu, but she do have strep throat. I can't afford to get sick, y'all. Like, I cannot afford to get sick. So, like I said, I'm about to run to the gym really quick to see about my membership, and then I'm going to the pharmacy. I think I gotta go to Walmart to grab toilet paper. I don't know, it's just my daughter and I, and for some reason we go through toilet paper like it's about 10 of us, and I'm just like, girl, what is you doing with toilet paper? I'm like, do not wrap your your women products in toilet paper. I usually buy her those diaper baggies you get from Dollar Tree. I have on that new Too Faced what is it, Too Faced Born This Way tinted moisturizer, and I am really loving it. I have no lashes on. Like I said, I've been trying to wear my own lashes. Not that I'm giving up on falsies, but all the time, not every day I want to wear falsies. Like, I want to look put together, but not glam put together. I still have a package coming today, so I will be sharing this on my channel. And someone had asked about my arm candy, so I will be sharing that too. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my outing because sitting y'all up here, I think it's gonna get hot. Let me go, and I will talk to y'all after I leave the gym to see if I, fingers crossed everything works out and I can join the gym. So I will see you in a little bit, you all. I am at Target. I did get my gym membership. I didn't take this in consideration. I think it's a little warmer than I thought. And the sun is glaring on me, so it may look like I'm oily, but I'm not. It's just the sun. I need to put one in the car. But inside of Target, because I have to get some toilet paper and whatever else I see. Because you can't just go into Target and just get one thing. I'll let y'all know. I will turn the camera around so y'all can see the camera around and just show you some clips of what's going on in Target. I will see you at home. So let me go inside of Target. I will see you when I get home or while I'm in Target. So I'm walking inside of Target, y'all. Let me grab a cart. Let's go over to the bullseye section. Let's see what they have. I would use this for a doggy dish, but I don't have a dog. This is what I was looking for. Someone has purchased this and she brought it to work, and I think I'm gonna get this. It's $5. Electric brush cleaner. I don't need that. I could go on Amazon for that. They got cute stuff for your bridal party. Like, how cute. And they $3. Oh, it's so colorful over here. Return policy. Okay, that's something new. Okay, this is cute. Well, what are these pants? Oh, these are nice. Oh, I like these pants. That top and that bathing suit. So this is what I got so far. Some little stuff. This is on sale for $2.99. I might eat that tonight, watch a movie by myself since my daughter is sick. Hey y'all, I finally made it in the house, and like I was saying, once I got home I wanted to do this here unboxing because this is my very first time ever ordering from this particular brand off the website. Now I did purchase some things in the Atlanta store, but I never purchased nothing online. Really quick what I got at the Atlanta store. So like I was saying, I was able to go to the actual store, which is located in Atlanta. Talking about Glossier. To go into the actual store. It's really cute. I recommend if you've never been to at least visit once. It's a really cute store. It's like really pink and girly. It's just really cute. And I got this here small bag because the things that I wanted, I had to order online. That's why I'm here to share the actual online unboxing. Sephora friend did get me the cleanser. The cleanser is really good, you all. And I think it's like $14. And it really helps with removing like eye makeup, because I don't know, I do wear like a lot of eye makeup as far as like glitter eyeshadows and things like that. So this do help with removing that, makes it a lot easier. Get this here cutie pie. This here is the Glossier lotion, y'all. This is just so cute to me. It smells like the fragrance. It do smell like the fragrance. And I did get the fragrance with the lotion because it was like a set. You got the lotion and the fragrance for I think $48. So of course I had to get both. It smells good. Different scent, fur, fruity scents, but this here still smells okay. And I like the fact that you was able to get both. But not least, again, I have the lip balm. I know they're famous for their lip balms. Well, my Sephora friend got me the birthday balm. If you never try anything from Glossier, I highly recommend their lips. So this here white packaging, like I said, I never ordered anything from this brand online. We just got it into Sephora I want to say maybe like a month ago. The reason why I got the stuff from the actual website, because of course Sephora gonna sell everything, and then I wanted to order because of the cute packaging inside of the box. Things have fell out the box, but this is how it's supposed to be packaged. It comes in like this here pink pouch. I ended up getting two, which I'm happy because I like these hair pouches because they are reusable. Like you can use these to store like your travel essentials, like if you travel and you don't have like a pouch to put it in. And they are kind of like wipeable. So yeah, these here are reusable. Come with a sticker. The air sticker. The reason for this here particular purchase, you all, is because of this hair thing here. Because of this hair pouch. If y'all don't know, I am a sucker for pouches and bags and all kinds of things. And they didn't have this in stores. I had to order it online. I signed up for their mailing list so I can get 10% off. So I did get this here Glossier pouch. But this pouch to me is just so cute. Like, let me show you. Here is spelled here on the front and it ends on the back side. It has your measurements across the front, down the side. So if you want measurements, is here, right here on the pouch for you. A front zipper pocket. Here, little pull tabs are kind of like made out of rubber. This here Glossier, like smiley face and a waving hand. Is the inside, you all. Like, look how cute this is. You have your inside pocket right here, well, your back pocket. It reminds you of the inserts that goes inside of Louis Vuitton. Like, look how cute this is. So this is how you can store your Glossier makeup. Do the little bit of things that I have. I'm gonna show you how it looks inside of the pouch. Without this here red thing, this is how the inside looks. Now on the outside, it feels like it's a wipeable material, but I'm not sure if it will come off. Like, it feel like if you spill something on it, it may stain the bag. Keep that in mind. Use this over here for my makeup. I have so much makeup, y'all. Like, I'm gonna turn the camera around so y'all can show you really quick my Glossier makeup. So I'm gonna just put one in the pouch. My lip gloss here. It's for you to be able to stand your makeup up, like, you know, stand your makeup straight up instead of like having it like laying down. I tell you, this here came as a set. I think one lip gloss is like 14 and the set was like 34. I got the mango coconut mint, and they do smell like mint, coconut, and mango. I'm not gonna take them out the box, but I'm gonna just place them in here and just show you really quick. The inside of my pouch, so everything fits perfectly, and it do closes. So yeah, I just plan to maybe throw like extra makeup in here. Wanted it for the pouch, y'all. I'm gonna be completely honest. It's a cute pouch because it's pink and it's like red. I'm not sure if the camera is picking up its true color, but it's like a pink and red. I thought this was the cutest thing ever. I'll try and link this down below for you all if you want to take advantage of this particular brand. Do come with this here pouch. It just says Glossier beauty bag. The right size to hold all your makeup staples. Zipper main compartment and a front pocket, but small enough to slip into your tote or purse. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this back in here. So I did go to Target. I didn't vlog in Target because Target had music playing. Able to vlog too much. I did kind of stick to what I went in for. I did get some extras, but not that much. I was able to keep my tab under $100, which is really good because, you know, anytime you go to Target, you can spend $100 easy. People ask about my arm candy, so let me get up close so I can show you. Hair watch band I did get from Kate Spade. This was one of the things that I purchased with my birthday gift card. Try and link this down below for you all so you can take advantage. I love this hair watch band. I was looking at Rolexes, but honestly, you all, I love my Apple Watch so much. Everything on this Apple Watch that I would probably feel naked without it. I know with the Rolex, see, if I spend money on a Rolex, I want to wear it every day, just on special occasions. So I was just like, I don't think I want to invest in that right now. Now, if someone else gives me a Rolex, then that's different. But for right now, I'd rather, I don't know, get something else. I ended up getting this, and I like the fact that it has this here Kendra Scott symbol. It kind of reminds you of a Rolex watch-ish little symbol here, and then the two-tone and silver. And this here, I did an unboxing. This here is my Gucci bracelet that I got at a TJ Maxx runway. Here's my Pandora bracelet. Charm is 8. It says number 18. That's the year my son graduated, and that's the year my son turned 18 because my son was born in 2000. Here, like, if 23, he's 23. If it's 2024, he's 24. So that's kind of like how I remember how old he is. The boat was when we went on a cruise. I'm not sure if this was the Disney cruise or the regular cruise, but that boat was for when we went on a cruise. This little girl, of course, stands for my daughter because I just have one. My one, I think I got, yeah, the mom one I got at Disney with the Disney ears. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I got that one at Disney, like Downtown Disney. Downtown Disney, if y'all didn't know, they do sell Pandora. Here's a coffee cup, because y'all know I love my coffee. What else can I remember? Remember anything else? Only the staple pieces is bought because it says mom. I know I have Pandora, and I have this here Gucci bracelet right here. I had to grab my daughter's bracelet because I have Pandora bracelets, but that was back when I was a little heavier, so they are too big and I can't, like, of course, switch them out. Took my daughter's and I told her I would buy her one, but when I gave her one of these, But she was like, why can't I have all the charms? I'm like, girl, they my charms. Like, I'll have to like help you build yours up. So she didn't want hers with just the one charm that I bought her. So I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna just go ahead and just keep both of them. So to these charms, I didn't just buy all at once. I just bought them, you know. I was into Pandora. I don't think I would be buying any more anytime soon. If I buy any, it'll be when they on sale, because I feel like my bracelet has enough charms. Like, I don't want to pack my bracelet to the point where I'm struggling to close it. Charms I have on here is more than enough. But like I said, if I catch some on sale, of course I'll add them to my collection. But I can link the bracelets down below, but I just won't be able to link all the charms. You know, Pandora is more like a personalized thing where you personalize it to your lifestyle. So this is kind of like geared to me traveling, my kids, me as a mom, like things like that. That's kind of like my story to my Pandora bracelets. One for the grandkids, I forgot which one that was. Turn the camera around just so I can show you my makeup area, because I do have to clean that. And I am going to end this vlog after that because I'm hungry. I probably make a salad. Okay, y'all, so this is the mess because I did do my makeup today, y'all. I know I probably mentioned this so many times, but I am in love with this hair foundation. This is what I'm wearing today, and it's in the color Butter Pecan. I did just get this from the cosmetic company store, you all. Let me tell you, I found the, is it Killian lipstick. I remember wanting one of these lipsticks a long time ago, and I finally got one. Of course, I didn't pay their prices because I think this lipstick is like $65 or $50 something. I think I paid like $20 something. And I did get this here MAC set. It came with a setting spray, some mascara, eyeshadows, 2 lipsticks, and this hair pouch. My nails today were my feet. I did get this in my gratis. Thought they were going to get a full-size bottle. I was just like, Sephora is not giving out a full-size bottle, so this is what they gave us. I mean, I have a love and hate relationship with this fragrance. Like, I like it and I don't, but it hypes it up. I keep going back to it. And y'all know that's my newest purchase, which is my skincare set. I always buy them every year on top of my vanity just to keep it from getting dirty. Y'all, let me show you my lip glosses. Like, this is half of my lip glosses. This is not even all of them. Love my K-Skin. This is really nice. So, yeah, y'all, that's everything. I'm going to go ahead, like I said, and end this here vlog. Can edit the video sometime today or tomorrow. Have it up on Wednesday for you all. So, I think that's it. I do have some videos coming up to catch up with editing. I do have a get ready with me. I will be posting that sometime soon. So I hope y'all enjoyed this here vlog. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be what? Notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.